up, guys? Good morning. We just got to our hotel, put our stuff down, and now we are walking to Disney. Huh, Jameson? Do you know where we're going? He knows where we're going. You ready?
To ensure your safety, please remain seated with your hands.
Jameson's one of Jameson's favorite ride. Okay, ready?
Watch your children.
Help me spin it! Yay! Ready? Oh, go this way. Go the other way. Yay!
Yay! How many times you rode this one? You didn't try it every time.
Look!
Okay, that was holding you.
Yay! Hi. Someone just woke up from their nap. Oh, why you do that? Alright guys, we are at California Adventure now, and we got the Lunar New Year Sip and Savor Pass, which we got during holiday season as well. And the first thing I got is this, you can see, firecracker chicken. I'm excited. They're over there watching the parade. I'm gonna eat this chicken. And I'm gonna tell you guys how it tastes. So let's go. It's okay. There's not a lot of flavor to it. Nah, that's okay. Alright, here's the other things that I've got. I've got the Chinese hot dog bun, and then the pork belly bao, and then this is a lychee grapefruit soda spritzer with gin. First thing I'm gonna try is this. Oh, that's good. Look at him dancing. Jameson, Jameson, hey! This is good. How do you like the wings, Dad? You like it? Try that. Jameson! You don't like it? It has grapefruit in it.
So sweet.
Alright, first thing I'm gonna try is this guy. This is the one I wanted to try. reminds me of at 85 C Cafe. So good. Alright, next thing, shopao with hair in it. That's cool. That's gross. I'll eat it anyways. That's really good too, but the pork's a little dry. What do you think, Dad?
You want some of this?
It's good, but the pork's dry, huh? Alright, last couple of things that we got was this Vietnamese cold brew, because we love Vietnamese coffee and shit in our pants. And this is a vegetable egg roll with sesame garlic noodles. And then a beef bulgogi short rib. It's with glass noodles. This one's okay. You gonna try your short rib one? Ooh, the egg roll's bomb though. Time to try the beef bulgogi short ribs with white rice. Oh, the pickled onion is everything. Mm-hmm. Oh, so good. This is good coffee. It's not like Lee's, it's so different. Oh, good stuff. Jameson! Hi! Who's that? Where are you going? We're going! Where's Dad? Dad! Wee! Wow! Dad! Oh, we're flying over Dad! What are you guys doing? Is it fun? Is it fun? You like it? Oh my gosh. This is really making me nervous.
Once again, that's a maximum of 2 per row, 1 per seatbelt. No laps, and you can have some water flares on the right hand side.
Oh, too bad, Jameson. We're not gonna meet Woody.
Too loud.
But we're gonna meet Buzz. Yeah. You wanna see Buzz? High five! High five! No? Bye, Woody! Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye, Woody! Do you see Buzz? Hi!
Hi. Hi, Buzz.
Look, you were so excited!
High five.
High five! High five! Okay, come on.
Okay.
Thank you. What ride are we on? Huh? Hold right here. Hold right here. Yeah, like that. Good job, baby.
Bullseye is pony, bullseye is pride, bullseye
up, guys?
Naked.
He's not naked. We're back at the hotel early. We've actually been back for quite some time now because we're exhausted. He's already had a bath. So did I. I just took a bath with him. Dad went into the jacuzzi. But I don't think I showed this in my last vlog because I don't think we stayed at a hotel. But I just wanted to show you guys our hotel. This is the second time staying here now at the 4 Points by Sheraton. It's a little bit less than a mile away from the from Disneyland. Not a bad walk at all. But when you walk in, this is your room. They got TV over here with full cable, which is nice. A little like desk area. Sorry, it is a mess now because we just like dropped off our stuff and yeah. And you always get with Marriott properties, at least I think, a coffee maker with coffee. I do love stealing the tea with me. I always take them, but I don't really actually drink the coffee. So, but yeah, there's coffee. And then you also have a mini fridge, which is really cool. I'm bottomless, so I won't show you guys the mirror, but you have the sink over here and the mirror. And then we just took a bath, so that's why it's a mess. But then you got your little bathroom. But yeah, like I said, we've stayed here. This is our second time staying here because it's really, really affordable and it's like not that far from Disney. It's a good like 15-minute walk, but not bad at all. Bad when you come back because you're so exhausted from Disney that you're just dying. But yeah, that's our first day at Disney. We will be back tomorrow and I don't think I'm gonna vlog too much. Tomorrow will just probably be an Instagram day unless we get on Rise of the Resistance. Then I will vlog. We'll see. Hope you guys liked our day one at Disney. I know I just have like multiple Disney vlogs and it's almost the same thing over and over. Just like Dumbo, Teacup, everything that Jameson loves. But I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. So don't forget to thumbs up, like this video if you like it. Comment down below like any vlogs that you guys want to see, maybe like tips and tricks of Disney. You know, we're annual pass holders and we come quite often now to where I feel like we've got a pretty good system going down. And or just like tips on Disney with a toddler, just let me know. Also subscribe. Thanks guys.